All right. Hey, everybody. It's Algebra 2, lesson 1-5. And I've got one other number here I need to write down. That number on this one for me is 1.5.31. All right, lesson 1-5. For you guys the year I'm doing this, it's problem 7. And let's see here. We have a quadratic equation and we get to solve it graphically. So I think the way I would choose to do, there's other ways to do it. I would just graph the left side of this equation as y equals, I'm going to go over to desmos.com here to do it. And then I'm going to graph the right side, that plane one. I'm going to look for where these two graphs intersect. Oops, I forgot the squared right here. This 2x squared minus x right there. And then the one on the other side. And then we'll see where the two graphs intersect. So that seems pretty, especially since I don't have to do much of the work. The calculator is going to do it all. All right, let me clear out what I did on the last problem. And let's put these in. Y equals 2x. I got to get a squared. So shift 6 is that little caret. Put my squared up there, arrow to the right. Need a minus x if I copied it correctly. Just click on the line below or in the box below that equation to get a new equation. We said this was y equals 1, I believe. Yeah, and then we just need these 2 points where those two graphs intersect. Now remember, we've done this before. The answer is in the original problem, the y's weren't there. So the actual answer is just the x value. So the negative 0.5, I'm writing it down this time since it doesn't show up on the screen when I go back to Sabbath over there. And then the 1. So those are going to be my actual two solutions, just the x values of these 2 points where they intersected. So let's go. Head on back to Sabbath, click there, and type an integer or decimal rounded to 1 decimal place as needed. Use commas to separate. All right. Trying to model the right way to do it instead of the way I usually do. I get in a hurry. So I need a negative and a 0.5, comma, and my 1. Doesn't say they have to be in any specific order or anything. So I think that should be it. Let's check it and see how I did. All right. So love Desmos. Does all my work for me. Just have to make sure I type things in correctly. So I hope that helps. Good luck.